Well, as the fires rage, a local county just launched a first-of-its-kind wildfire protection plan. The Placer County Office of Emergency Services designed a roadmap to prepare, protect, and reduce fire risk prompted by lightning. Your reporter covering Placer County, Connor McGill, is getting answers on what it entails.
County leaders say it's essential and residents say it's needed. It's all about creating a county-wide wildfire protection plan. Placer County supervisors approved a more than $334,000 contract with the firm Duda to lead the project.
We've done this on some community levels in the past, but we really wanted to have an opportunity to look at this as a county-wide issue.
The plan will connect existing wildfire strategies and help the county rank priorities, from clearing fuels to strengthening homes. For residents who've lived through devastating fires, the effort is long overdue.
I think it'd be very beneficial for our area. We've been hit by some really terrible fires. My own neighborhood was impacted. The fire came up across the street from us, and we lost homes down the street.
The plan will also lean on public input through surveys, focus groups, and meetings.
I think this is a terrific idea because living here in Auburn for 13 years now, I've been surrounded by fires, and if each one of us takes a part in trying to prevent fires and do our part and share it with our neighbors, I think it would be a real success.
CAL FIRE says it could also clear the way for projects that improve safety in fire-prone neighborhoods.
It's really going to drill down on the communities that have been asking for years for help for things like access and egress and homegrown fuel management projects that they've been trying to get off the ground for years.
The Office of Emergency Services says community voices will drive this plan forward.
This isn't just something that we are going to do and then it's going to sit on the shelf and then we'll think about it again. This is why having the community involved and really making their voices heard, I think, is what's going to make the difference in terms of really moving us forward in terms of our ability to be safer from wildfire.
The plan is expected to be complete by mid-2027.